I was waiting. What the fuck is this? You better put it. You better not have kids watch it. Fuck.
Marco and Ed got here, so we'll just do regular rotation.
Yeah.
Whenever you're ready, call me.
Nah, fuck it. It's a camera. We're gonna make more money.
Exactly.
Is it recording?
Recording?
Yeah. Hey guys, back. Someone back. Yeah, guys, they love the long ball. Guys, watch 13. They're just gonna send him a long ball the whole game.
Yeah, guys, we're not there. Fuck's going on?
Good.
Nico, Ginny! Nice job. Hand coming.
Move, guys, move, Rich. Good ball, Mike. Here. Good shift, Nico. Don't follow with Marble. Nah. Back, one back. Marco.
Yeah.
Nice try, nice try. Maybe like a used one in my coat pocket, but I don't think you want that. Yeah, when you're ready.
Hey, go Mike! Yeah, but that's it.
Nice try, Bush. Yeah.
Behind you, Kovac.
Let's go, boys. Mike, that's it.
Man!
So, Margo. Good.
Option, go!
Nice. You have time.
Man!
That's it.
Vamos! Nice shot, Marco!
Nice shot.
Good.
Check.
Oh, shit.
Out, that's it.
Ja, was Chris, was ik? Opzij.
Marco, behind you. That's it.
Ooh.
1 second, Mike. Press, guys, press.
Yeah. Go, Marco.
Nice.
Go. Yeah. Dip. Yeah.
Bravo.
Let's go.
Go, boys.
Oh, that hurt my fucking ass.
Yeah, me too. Fuck you, man.
What's up, boys? You're red. That's it. You ready to do red, go?
Yeah, Just sul frappe, se poi muscoli, no?
No, it's fucking hurt. You know when you hit your funny bone, you get that sensation?
Yeah.
That's what I have.
Tu joues vite avec Nick. Ok, Nick, tourne. Pour aller.
I didn't send the link, huh, for the first video.
Bien. Bien essayé.
You see the first video?
C'est toi ça, Nick. C'est toi ça. Laisse-le pas tourner.
I could. No, like it's like a number that doesn't exist. It's like too high. I watched it all yesterday. Huh?
Good sound?
Yeah.
Back up.
Nice, Chris.
Let's go, Chris!
All right, good, Chris, good.
It's okay.
I was testing it first game. It was there. I was talking here. I couldn't hear my conversation. Okay, it's good. Obviously, if you yell though.
Yeah, laisse-le pas tourner.
Hi, go.
Both line. Go for it. Nico.
Oh man, what a funny stuff. Nico's passes
Yeah.
and then he gets it back and he passes it completely with the ball. Horrible sight. Look at that, dude. Before he wishes you're fucking 10 yards ahead. And then the ref whistles, and I was a bit behind the line, and I started running.
I was gonna pass it back and I'm saying you're going, oh shit.
Okay, because right before, like he whistled, I saw you go like this, right? Like I saw you corner your eye. I'm like, yeah, I think he sees me. He whistles, and I run up, but then it took so long. I was like 3 meters into their zone when you passed it to me. Then you get it back, and I whip it.
Yeah, I know.
You're like, bad start.
That's it. Shoot. Pull.
Marco, pass me the ball. Legs.
Good night.
I didn't have time to make it there.
Came back from monitor. Apparently, it used to be crazy.
So fast. I wish I was swim move. Everybody knew his move, but you still can't fucking stop him, bro. He runs down the wing. Runs down the wing. Stops. Fucking goes, bro. This pure pace. Oh my god.
That's it, Marco. Chris. Shoot!
Let's go, boys. Keep it up, boys. Keep it up.
Sorry.
That's it.
Can't make a pass today. See what I'm I'm working hard, bro. That's it. getting to the ball before them, which is even more important.
That's it. No foul. No foul. There, boys. Come on. Come on.
Good job, Marco. Good job.
Again. Look at Marco. Play, guys, play. Let's go.
Yeah, but what about me? You had me from guide.
Good save.
Cover the box.
Marco, get higher. Get up.
Man.
I'll let him shoot.
Okay, Marco, head up. Man. Left foot.
Good shot, Marco. Good shot.
Man.
It's okay, Marco. It's okay.
Talk, boys.
Guys, middle. Yeah, watch your right, Marco. Watch your right.
Guys, move.
Mike.
Come in.
Time. Marco, watch your right, yeah. Back, guys, get back. Good job, Mike. Yeah.
Let's go, let's go. Go. Don't play stupid. What's the score?
3-1.
Nice. Oh, Mike. Une passe à l'aveugle, ça.
Essaye.
Nice. 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 Get him in! Get back. Good job, Chris.
Distance. Distance. What's that pass?
That's it.
Golazo!
Nice ball, Dave.
Is it 4-1?
I think so.
No way. Yeah, that was bad. As soon as come back.
No knees. I guess it's not bad.
A year or two. Well, the guy is prime for. Yeah.
Nice, Chris!
Good, Marco.
Hey, get this!
Take the old David here.
Guaranteed.
He would have kicked the ref.
It's almost been well today.
Incidents by ankle brace, and like I left the house at 1 in the morning and not coming back to the house. That's how I'm playing. Now I get a guy, is they did all that. Needs to not be sure more often.